Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who know me, welcome back. Today's video is Hermes handbag unboxing. I know you guys interested, and even myself, I always watching this kind of videos, and I decided to share with you guys. I had this bag in my wish list for last 3-4 years, and then I just removed it from my wish list. And then I thought, as you know me, I'm not a bag collector. I don't want to just keep buying bag, and that's the reason I'm very careful with my choices. And when I buy a bag, and I don't want to have any color and big collection anyway. I was thinking about it, and then I said no, I don't need it. And then I had another bag which is I prefer. Unboxing it last year, and then I got that anyway. And then a few months ago, and then I thought maybe I get this one. I contacted my SA, and a few days ago she called me and she said, I have the bag for you. And I was traveling for work, and I wasn't able to go to a store to pick up the bag, and she was so kind enough she shipped it to me. Last night I came from my trip, and bag was waiting for me, and I was so excited. I wanted to do real unboxing, and then I thought, no, I couldn't wait, because I never saw this bag, in person. I didn't go to a store, and I opened it, and I love it, and cannot wait to show you the bag. If you guys interested, keep on watching. Okay, I get crazy when people, they want to unboxing the bag, they just keep talking, and then they just opening it and then taking it out, putting it back. Anyway, I'm not going to do that to you guys. Okay, this is my beautiful bag. It's a gray color, and actually I have a Constance, what is that called? Walk, same color, but that's the Epsom leather, and this is the Togo leather. I cannot pronounce the color correctly. I'm going to put it in the bottom, but I think they call it Grease Meyer, something like that. Anyway, but I'm going to put it in the bottom. Birkin, size 25. Something very interesting. The hardware is not silver, it's not gold. She called it something, I forgot. I have to look at the text she sent me. But it's a light gold, which is, I love it. And I'm happy because I never had this color. I'm going to bring it close to camera. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. And of course, I love Birkin. And beginning of it, I started having Hermes bag a few years ago. I wasn't sure what is my favorite, Kelly or Birkin. I love Kelly so much, but I think I prefer Birkin. I think that it's a very, that is a bag, it's matched with my style. And I prefer to carry Birkin to Kelly. I love it. I have too many, and many Kelly, and I love them, and I can use it daytime, travel, for any event, but it's something about Birkin size 25. I know lots of people, they're complaining because this part is small, but for me it's not hard. I can carry it like that, but most of the time I carry it like this. As far as the organizer, already I put an order. I'm going to get it from 7RP, but I couldn't wait to share the bag with you guys, to wait till I get my organizer. Anyway, this is my beautiful new baby. I'm so excited about it. I think it's a very beautiful color. I can use it day or night. Something very interesting. Today I was thinking about it. For some reason, last 2-3 years, this day, I'm going to go to, this is a Halloween party. One of my friends, she has a party. I'm going to go there. And last year, like today, I had an unboxing and I had my costume. And then actually tonight, I'm going to go to another Halloween party. I forgot for a second. Halloween party, and I said, oh my gosh, again. But I'm gonna be simple tonight. I just wore turtleneck and my Dior pants, and I'm gonna just put some small thing. Let me share with you. Voila, a Spanish dancer. But a Spanish dancer, they have a dress. I don't wanna wear a dress. I'm just gonna wear my, as I said, my Dior pants with the turtleneck and something simple. And I put this, I purchased this, I think last year in New York, and I love it. What do you guys think? Anyway, I hope all of you have a great Halloween if you're going to the party or doing whatever you do. And thank you so much for spending time with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I cannot wait to get to 3,000. And I'm very, very close to 3,000. Please do so. And I'm so excited to share my beautiful baby unboxing with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and have a lovely day or night. Love you so much. Bye.